E-commerce has evolved dramatically in the last 20 years. From simple product listings, it has transformed into a vibrant world of interactive content. Today's consumers expect more. They want high-quality images, detailed specifications, and personalized experiences. However, e-commerce businesses face four main challenges. First, there's scalability. How do you create consistent, high-quality content for thousands of products? Next is personalization. Crafting unique narratives for diverse customer segments is no easy task. Then we have speed. Businesses must react quickly to market trends and consumer needs. Lastly, there's cost efficiency. How do you balance high-quality production with budget constraints? Integrating AI into content strategies can help tackle these challenges. Human copywriters are fantastic at adding empathy and cultural nuance. Meanwhile, AI tools like GPT-4 can generate drafts quickly and optimize keywords. Combining these strengths in a hybrid approach enables high-volume output while preserving brand integrity. The urgency to adapt is increasing due to competitive pressures and rising consumer expectations. Companies need to implement agile workflows, create personalized messages, and use integrated analytics to stay ahead. You might wonder how to effectively manage this content production. A solid governance framework is crucial. This structure will define roles, establish approval processes, and ensure accountability. In an increasingly crowded marketplace, brands that combine AI efficiency with human creativity will stand out. They will engage consumers and foster loyalty. If you're interested in learning more about these strategies, visit the Ogvation platform. Discover how to revolutionize your e-commerce content today. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.